In this video, we will discuss about difference between Blu-ray and DVD. Blu-ray disc uses blue optical ray, which means its name as Blu-ray. DVD stands for digital versatile disc. Blu-ray single layer size is 25 GB. DVD single layer size is 4.7 GB. Blu-ray is used for storing large size data like shooting videos. DVD is used for storing small size data like movies after release. Blu-ray have double layers of pits. DVD too have double layers of pits. Blu-ray wavelength of laser is 405 mm, DVD wavelength of laser is 650 mm. Picket code is used as error correction code. RSPC and EF+ are used as error correction code. Blu-ray, data transfer rate is 36 megabits per second, DVD, data transfer rate is 11 megabytes per second. The cost of Blu-ray is high in comparison to DVD. The cost of DVD is lower than the Blu-ray. Blu-ray supports high definition, 1080p, and Ultra HD, 4K. DVD supports standard definition, 480p or 720p. Space between spiral loops is 0.30 micrometer in Blu-ray. Space between spiral loops is 0.74 micrometer in DVD. The double layer size of Blu-ray is 50 GB. The double layer size of DVD is 8.5 GB. The thickness of Blu-ray is 1.1 mm. The thickness of DVD is 0.6 mm. Numeric aperture of Blu-ray is 0.8. Numeric aperture of DVD is 0.6. Recording layer or metal layer is close to reading mechanism's objective lens. Reading layer or metal is close to middle of the disc. The available video codecs of Blu-ray disc are MPEG-2, MPEG-4, and SMPTE-VC-1. The available video codecs of DVD is MPEG-2.